Welcome back guys to our brand new tutorial. This is your boy Luke. Today I will help you get your plus card and get it activated, and also I will teach you some trick or to pick up the best trips to make more money with your plus card. And if you don't want to see any order from the plus card pop up in your screen anymore, I will teach you how to turn the plus card off. If you want to know, keep watching. Now it's time to order the plus card. So what I want you to do, you're gonna open your Uber app. You're gonna go to the toolbar that you see in the top left, and you're gonna click an account. After you click an account, you're gonna click plus card. When you finish clicking your plus card, this is where you're gonna need to put your address where you want them to ship your card. And any address is up to you. So after you put your address, you click continue, and you're gonna see a message say your card is on the way. So it will take 4 to 10 days to get your card, depending where you live. After you receive your card in the mail, so I want you to go back to plus card where you say activate card right there, and the same message that you receive where you see your card is on the way. So you're gonna click activate card. After you click your activate card, you're gonna need to put the 16 digit that you saw in your card. After you put your 16 digit that you saw in your card and you click continue, and it's gonna say your card is activated. So right there, when you click got it, it's gonna take you back to your card where you can see the last 4 digit in your card. Mine is 1250. Yours gonna be different. So right now, let me stop you for a second to show you before I continue. So right now, if you lost your card, you're gonna click in replace card, and they're gonna ask you to deactivate the previous card that you have. And after you deactivated the previous card that you have, and you're gonna put your address again, and when you get your card, you're gonna do the same thing in case you lose your cards. And the second thing I want to cover right there, so if you're gonna make a purchase for the customer, so the card is been declined, you're just gonna click where you contact support. So they're gonna help you fix that issue in a second. Don't worry if that's happened to you while you make a purchase, okay? So you're gonna receive a message from Uber Eats say you unlock more opportunities to earn, and they're gonna try to show you a short video or the plus card works, so you can always watch. But don't worry about it, because I'm gonna cover everything you need to know in this video. Right now it's time for us to make some deliveries. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, open your app, and you're gonna go online, right, and waiting for some order. So I just got an order pop up on my phone. So if they're gonna pay me $10.51, they say shop and pay. That means you're gonna use your plus card, and I'm gonna drive 4.1 miles and only one item. It's just gonna go to Walgreens. When I see an order like this, I don't care how far I'm gonna drive. Only thing I'm concerned about is how much they're gonna pay me. If they're gonna pay me like $2 per mile, because this is the minimum I require to get paid, $2 per mile. If I get $2 paid per mile, I'm fine with it. But if it's less than $2 per mile, I'm not gonna accept it. So this is our order. I'm gonna go ahead and accept this order, and I'm gonna driving toward my pickup location is Walgreens, right? When I get to Walgreens, and they told me right here, shop for items and pay with plus card and submit your receipt. Please never forget to ask the cashier for your receipt if they forget to give it to you. So because you're gonna need your receipt to continue your delivery. So as you can see, there's a blue box right here, and there's details. I want you to click in the blue box, because detail just gonna tell you the name of the product, but it's not gonna give you a picture of it. So you're gonna see a picture of the product, and you're gonna see how much the product costs, and it gives you 2 options also. You can mark this item unavailable, or you can mark this item found. So I found my item, so I'm gonna go ahead, click item found. So it's gonna take me to check out. So where you say check out, I'm gonna click check out right there, And now it asks me, are you using your plus card today? Of course I'm using my plus card. I'm gonna click yes. Now it's time for me to submit my receipt, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit my receipt, and there you go. I'm gonna click done. When you click done, you see the blue box next to the customer name again. You're just gonna click it and you just slide and start delivery, and you're gonna give it direction to your drop off. And that's all you make delivery with your plus card. So in case you cannot find the product the customer requests, that's happened to me one time. I can find the product the customer requests, so I just go ahead and call the customer and explain the situation is not available in the store. I even ask people who work there. They say this item is not in stock right now, so they don't have it. And I go ahead and I make them unavailable, and the app charge the customer less money. So, and I go ahead and deliver this order. So the last step we're gonna cover in the video are to turn off your plus card off. So if you don't want to receive any order from your plus card anymore, so I just gonna show you how to turn it off. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open your Uber Eats app. So you're gonna see the two little bar that you see in the bottom and on your left side, and you're gonna click this, and you're gonna see plus card trip, the little black cycle right there. You're gonna click on it. That's mean your plus card is off. You will never receive any plus card order anymore. So if you want to receive plus card, so you're just gonna click it back again, so it's back to on. That's mean you're able to use plus card. That's all for today. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and leave your comment below, and see you to the next video. Peace.